Remove the cover from the 4 screws. Remove the 4 screws. After removing the screws, you can remove the top cover. Then you need to remove the screws on the charging port. Cut off the tape on the charging port. Remove and take out the charging port cable. Take out the controller. Cut off the tape on the battery connection line and unplug the connection line. Connect the new battery. Insert the battery with the marked side facing the front of the scooters. Then put in the controller. Arrange the controller cables. Attach the charging port cable. Arrange all wires and install the top cover.